What's going on, folks? Larry here with you. I am back to do my recap today. It is Friday, 10/3. You'll have to forgive me just a little bit. I'm a little hoarse today or something. I'm not real sure what that is about. That's the way I woke up this morning. Before we get into the recap, I'm going to go over my screens real quick, kind of how my setup is. Like I said, I got 6 screens that I look at all the time. We'll start off with this one. This is one of my main screens. I have it on a 2-minute chart. This is a trading view chart. I have a little box over here. You can see that it just tells me the time frames. It's from 1 minute all the way to a daily. Tells me if it's bullish or bearish. I don't know. It keeps me from having to look at a lot of different charts. I have the 15-minute opening range, which is that gray area. The white dotted line is VWAP. These red, let me see if phase and green areas is just support and resistance. It automatically puts them on the chart for me, but that is how I've got my 2-minute chart set up. Another screen that I have a 15-minute and a 1-hour chart on. On the 1-hour chart, I have fair value gaps on that chart. I just like to see that. As you can see today at 1 o'clock when the White House started talking, the bottom fell out of the market and it dropped all the way to that fair value gap and pushed back up. So I like watching for that. That's just something I like to look at. I also have the ES on a screen and I have the NQ 5-minute. And on this 5-minute chart, instead of the 15-minute opening range right here, I have the 5-minute opening range. I like to watch that as well, because that's one of my strategies. The 5-minute, the 15-minute, and trend lines is pretty much all I trade. And then down here on this other screen, I have the news. I keep the news pulled up. It tells you kind of what's going on and when. As you can see right here at 1 o'clock, the White House started talking and everything went crazy. You can see right here's 1 o'clock, and it was on like Donkey Kong. After that, we'll go ahead and get into this recap. Hey, this morning it was a rough open for the first 30 minutes, I guess. It was just chop city, up, down, up, down, up, down. I was trying to rotate through some accounts. I took a few trades through here, and I definitely took some trades this morning when we broke the 15-minute range to the downside. Other than that, I was trading trend lines. I traded VWAP and bull flags and bear flags. And like I said, we get over here, I was almost done for the day because I did lose 2 accounts today doing stupid stuff. We'll go over that when I pull the numbers up. I mean, it's just me, just being honest about it. Every account that I lost this week was really just being greedy. There was a red number on my chart, and I don't know if I got OCD or ADHD or what, but I don't know. It drove me nuts. I didn't want that red number up there on my chart, so I was just trying to get rid of it, and I ended up losing the accounts being stupid. I ain't going to say lesson learned because I'll probably do it again next week, but also Apex is still having their sale going on, so next week I will probably try to pass some more evals and maybe get back to 20. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, again, this mess right here, I love trading this volatility. When the momentum comes in, when news comes out, something stupid, and the market just goes crazy. The bottom fell out of it, and I just kept, when it starts dropping like that, just trade bear flags. That's all you need to watch for is bear flags. As you can see right here, we made a double bottom. If you'll look back, let me find this screen right here on that fair value gap. It turned it in support. That is a area of interest. We dropped right to it and we pushed back up off of it. it's just good stuff to know. We will go ahead. Let me go back to this screen, and like I said, the market's still open. It is just 230, 228, and it's definitely a pushing back up. I don't know how far it'll go, but I'm done for the day. I ain't messing with it no more. Like I said, I lost 2 accounts today, but that is part of trading. Prop firms, I really wouldn't even consider, I wouldn't call it trading. It's more like a game. Now, if you're trading a personal account, a brokerage account, that's different. But these prop firms, you got to think of it like that. As long as you can stay net green, it don't matter how many accounts you blow. If you let's say you spend $1,000 this month on prop firms, as long as you can take 3 or 4 payouts, 3, 4, 5,000, you're net green. You're still to the good. That's just the way you got to look at it and kind of run it as a business. Because you're going to have, costs. There's no way around it. But again, we will look at these numbers. Where's my thingamajig at? Right here it is. Other than the 2 I lost, I'm ending today excellent, 39.46. I am tickled to death with that. I'm tickled with all my profit. All my profit's good today. A lot of them, 200, 400. Majority of them is over $100. I have 2. Let me see. That is low. That I think I can take a payout on tonight, so I just traded in safely, I guess is a word you can say. But yeah, it was definitely a good day. I hope everybody else had a good day. I hope everybody has a good weekend, and we will try this sucker again Monday. And hey, thank you all for watching, and see you Monday.